In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Steal a Brainrot Discord server. If you're looking to join the official Steal a Brainrot Discord server, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the different ways you can join the community and show you how to complete the verification process so you can access the server successfully. To begin, open Discord on your computer or mobile device and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main Discord screen, look at the server list on the left side and click the Add a Server button. This will open a new window with several options for creating or joining a server. From the available options, select Join a Server. You'll now see a field where you can enter an invite link. In the invite box, type Brainrots exactly as shown, making sure there are no spaces and that the word ends with the letter S. Double-check the spelling before continuing, since even a small mistake can prevent you from joining the correct server. After entering the invite, click the Join Server button. Discord will process the invitation, and if everything is correct, you'll be taken directly to the Steal a Brainrot Discord server. There's another way to join as well. Open the official Steal a Brainrot game page in your web browser or through the app. Scroll down until you find the Discord button and select it. Before accepting the invitation, make sure you've opened the official Steal a Brainrot game page. One way to verify this is by checking that the game has a very large community with millions of members or visits, helping you avoid unofficial pages or fake invitations. When the Discord invitation appears, click Accept to join the server. After the server finishes loading, you'll usually need to complete a short verification process before you can access all of the channels. At the top of the server, look for the Complete button and click it. Carefully read through the server rules so you understand the community guidelines. Once you've finished reading, scroll to the bottom and check the box confirming that you've read and agree to the rules. After that, click Submit to finish the verification process. Once your verification has been accepted, you'll gain access to the Steal a Brainrot Discord server and can begin exploring its channels, announcements, and community discussions. That's all there is to it. Whether you join using the server invite or through the official game page, the process only takes a few minutes, and you'll be ready to participate in the Steal a Brainrot community. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,